y'all, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these cute little snowmen. So one of my very kind and sweet followers on Facebook sent me these. So we're going to be using the smaller ones, and the size of mine are 6 inches tall and 4 inches wide. And we're making our hats out of this old sweater that I had. And we're just going to make a cute little hat for our snowmen out of that. And these cute little pom-poms also came from the same follower. Thought they were really cute. We could bunch those together and put those on the top of the hat. So we're just taking some twine and we're going to feed that through the handle of our cutting board. So this is what we're going to use to be hanging up our little snowmen on the wall or on your fireplace or wherever you end up hanging these at. Then we're going to slide over our little sleeve for our little hat of our snowman, and then we're going to pull the twine through the top of that hat before we close off the hat. That way our twine is coming through the top and we can use that as a hanger. Now I'm going to close up my hat by just crossing it over on the back and using some hot glue, and then bunching together little pom-poms to make the little top of our hat. We're just going to hot glue that onto the top of the hat into a cute little bunch. This is how it looks so far, and I was actually gonna just leave the wood natural, y'all. I wanted to do kind of like a happy little snowman face, but I ended up messing this face up. So I tried to fix it by making the eyes round, and then it kind of looked like an alien. So I decided to just paint over that completely and just go with white, which at the end of this, I was really glad I ended up doing that because it looked more like a snowman. So I'm just using my paint pen to draw on some little eyes. I know people say my snowman looks sad when I do the eyes like this, but I just love doing their eyes like this for some reason. I think it's just so cute. And just adding little details to make them really cute. Put a little white in the eyes to make like their eyes were sparkling. And then just adding some little blush for their cheeks. Just adding little details like that on pieces like this can make such a difference. So I just always love doing that. And then we're just adding a little wooden snowflake to do a little extra touch on them. And then tying the two twine pieces together that we're going to use to hang it with. I'm also adding in some rusty bells just to make it more Christmassy and give it more of a rustic feel. And then just tying those onto our twine at the top, and that is going to become our official hanger. So I didn't show this part, but I did end up gluing my two snowmen together so that they would hold position on how I wanted them to look on the wall. So when you're looking at them right here, they are glued together. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.